Good afternoon, Sweden. This is Gary Fullett from the United States for your daily YouTube video in the state of the markets. Please read the disclaimer that's associated with this YouTube. As we can see, the market overall is in a downtrend. We define the downtrend that we have lower highs and lower lows to the market. So that's something which we always have to consider is the trend in the immediate background of the particular trade. But as you can see, in the week of June, the market had a reactionary low. This led at the 1500 area, 1494 area. This rallied to a 1660 area to the upside. So a fairly significant rally to the upside in the market. Markets that generally rally from weakness generally have some type of retest to the area that the market came from. In this case, we did that, and we did that on this day here several weeks ago in the market, basically in the middle of August 15th to be exact. This market then had a close off the low. We call that a little bit of a buying tail to the market. So it's a transfer of risk of the weak shorts that were selling and the longs that liquidated their position, and the market then reacted to the upside to the market. We then formed a little area here that the market has had 6 or 7 areas that the market clustered highs at this particular juncture. These clustered highs represent resistance to the market. It's at this point where demand has to overtake this supply area or selling area. We generally will see that by the increasing bar lengths in volume to the upside. The volume is not working today on my chart. I apologize. But if we can get above this 1555 area, we have a chance going back up to the 1610 up here, because this will give you enough cause in the market to go higher. And cause we mean by sideways action of the market to give you vertical resistance. It's like having gas in an automobile. If you put gas in an automobile, then simply it gives you enough gas to go the distance that you may want to go. Or if it doesn't, you have to refill your tank and go from there. So at this point, the market is trying to base. The market is trying to go sideways. The market is trying to be at a point in which we see the market retesting, and we can tell by the reaction how well this reaction is, how far the market can actually travel. In this case, back in June, we had a fairly significant rally up. This was short covering from the weakness here. We got our secondary test. Now the market's forming cause sideways to the market, and the important aspect of the market now would be to the point that the market would need now to get demand to overcome resistance. So this is the process that we're going through right now. The market's having a fairly sharp update to the market. We may have to consolidate here more before we actually mark up. If that's the case, what we like to see is the market stay around this 1550 area without any selling pressure to the market, which would be wide bars to the downside. The market stay approximately to the upper third of the market. If the market can stay at the upper third of the market, then we have a situation in which the market now gets to the point in which we can go higher to the market. So right now the market is at resistance, and it needs a little bit of an oomph to push the market higher. If we can get that push, we can get a move up to 1610. So I hope you enjoyed this little YouTube video, the state of your market. If there's anything that changes substantially, I will do an update to your video. I want to wish everybody a good day and hopefully a good profitable trading day and all the best. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.